Hello everyone, welcome back to another yey'maps video. My name is Daniel. Today we will be going over the field settings within the layer settings of a transportation layer in a neighborhood called Mill Creek Falls. So we'll scroll down to the field settings. We are able to add new fields to this specific layer. These include a text box, a text area, an integer, floating number, date, web link, image, PDF, drop-down, checkbox, range, multi-select, and audio. So you have a lot of options to go and select however you'd like to display your data. You have your title and preview, your search and quick search, your information, and your mandatory field. You're able to turn these on and off as you so choose. I've already taken the liberty to add all these field types so that we don't have to sit here and plug them all in together. So let's go and see how it looks like on the map. Go to our projects and we'll go down to the neighborhood. As this is a new layer, I've only created the singular line just for demonstration purposes. We'll go ahead and select it. All the information comes up on the left, and we will go in and edit it. So you can add an audio type if you'd like. You can, as this was a mandatory field, we have to put the name of the road name, the description. This was the text area. It's last maintained. That was the date field. The website of the neighborhood. That was the web link. The picture, which was the image type. The document, which was the PDF. Whether or not it's a street or transportation type that allows vehicle access or not, that was the checkbox. We included the range to demonstrate whether or not we use this for stormwater runoff for this example. The permission type of the street, whether or not people are allowed to ride their bicycles, have a civilian vehicle, maintenance vehicle, so on and so forth, and the transportation type. And all these are added on when you are creating your individual fields. So when you create your drop-down area, your drop-down field, you'll be able to type in all of these individual types. The speed limit of this street, which was the number, which is the integer field, and then the floating number, which was, we used this for length miles. So that is everything with field settings. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.